Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Roblox Party. In this video, we'll be creating a light, okay, a street lamp or whatever kind of a light you can just simply learn how to design a light, and then you can use that thing to uh, create your own stuff. Now, first of all, I'll be making a street lamp. So I'll add a block. So you can see this is a block right now. I will scale it down. I mean, you guys can go with any shape that you like. That's a bit tall, I think. Yep. So this is the pole I'm designing. I'll anchor it out. And let me just change some properties of it. I'll make it black, and I'll make the material of it to be metal. And there you go, you can see that it's metal right now, right? And yep, let's continue. Now the next thing I would like to do is I will duplicate it. Obviously, control D to duplicate something. Control D, you need to know the basics if you want to do this thing. Okay, now, okay, there we go. This is a very simple and very basic design, but anyway, will work. I have this thing now, and I will duplicate it one more time. I bring it down. I will scale it out. You see? Oh, one more thing. You see, I'm not able to scale it more. How can you make it more thinner? As you click on model, and then there you see a thing called move. Right now, you can only move it with one studs. You have to make it 0 to be more precise, to be more, if you want to make it more thinner. You see, now you can go as much as you want, right? As thin you want. So this is the thing that I have done. So I will make this part, I'll change a bit of properties of it. I will make it white. I'll make it glass because I want to mimic. I would like to copy that. I like to make a a light, a bulb, right? So you see, this is a glass, and what I'll do is I'll change the transparency of it. I'll make it 0.5. If you make it 1, it will be invisible. 0.5 looks like that. I mean, it looks so good though. Now, this one, I can rename it. I mean, it's up to you. You want to rename it or not, but I'll rename it to be called as Bulby. I mean, bulb, you can call it anything you want. Now, there are two types of light in Roblox. I will select this light, Bulby. Inside the Bulby, I'll click the plus icon of Bulby, and I'll add not point light. There's another kind of a light called spotlight. You add spotlight inside it right now. You will like, oh, I can't see my light. Fine. There are some properties that we have to change for the spotlight. And what I'll do is I'll click on spotlight right now. The face, it's facing that way. I'll have to change the face of it. There's a property here called face. I'll make it bottom. Now the light will be going in the bottom direction, and then the and downwards, right? So another thing is, there is another property of spotlight called brightness. Same like your phone has a brightness. I'll change the property here. You can see it's glowing now. Now another thing is, if you want to go with what color of light, if you love pink color, if you're a princess, yeah, you can go with any color of light. I'll go with the yellowish, a bit yellowish, right? And a range is, there is a property called range, how much it should cover, how much should be the range of the light. And I will make the angle a bit more smaller, maybe. Yeah. Well, let's see how does this light looks at night. So, oh, let's change the color of it, because this is a yellow light. So yeah, this looks fine now. This looks fine now. Wow. Now, if you want, you can group it out as well. Control G. Now it's a model, right? And if you want, you can have multiple lights, right? I mean, it's totally up to you. You can design a highway if you want, right? And by this concept, you can design any kind of light for homes, for your garden or anything. Well, let's see how this lights look at night. I will click on lighting in the Explorer. There is a thing here in the properties of lighting, properties of lighting, there are properties, and there's a property called clock time or time of day. Right now in the game, it's 2 p.m. You know, the games have day and night cycle nowadays. The games are same like real world. I'll just change the time and you can see that's how it looks at night. Let's just have a look. Let's just play the game a bit to see how does it looks like. Maybe I'll make it, it's 6:30 right now. I'll make it a bit. Oh, this looks cool. Okay. Now I'll click on play. Let's see everything. I hope everything should be anchored, otherwise the lights will fall down. Wonderful evening, and there are our lights. It looks perfect. Perfect. Wow. Okay. So that's how you guys you design lights in Roblox. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Roblox Party.